Hey guys, it's me Dezzyloops, and in this series episode of In the Loop, we are going to be watching a video about Korea's knitting factory. Now, I already watched the video, but I wanted to make an intro, and this video was really pretty much silent, and they didn't go into too much detail, and I wasn't talking too much, but it was still an interesting video, and it sparked some great curiosity. So, this is what we're whipping on while we watch the video. This is the male cardigan. This is the male shawl. The pattern is not out yet because this is the second testing of the shawl. I had the pattern tested, and now I'm just knitting the shawl with the new revised pattern. And so once this is done, which is taking a long time because I have a full-time job, once this is done, then I will release the pattern for you guys, and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you so much for tuning in to In the Loop series with your host Dezzyloops. So pretty. I love yarn. I really get into it. I want to try like yarn dyeing as well. There's so many things that I want to try. Like I want to try yarn dyeing, weaving, spinning. So I think now they're like washing it. And so this is Korean factory. So those are all like the different dyes, different powders. And I remember when I was first learning about dye lots, and so bleeds into it. I don't know how. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Why is that so satisfying? It's so satisfying. That's blue. Hey. Like they were talking, so I can like understand what's going on more in like in depth and detail. I think they're testing out the color. That's gorgeous. So those are the sample swatches. Wow, that is so beautiful. So they're probably going to spin it dry. that takes a lot of strength. Here it is from the girl. That's why I wanted to make these not really commentaries, but like these reaction videos, just to learn more about fiber arts, because like this is amazing to learn how it's done. I mean, I know this is like a major factory. Like there's so much, honestly, I don't know. And I want to know. So I'm like, why not just record me finding out with you guys? And if there's any other like different type of videos you want me to react to, it doesn't just have to be knitwear. I'm going to be doing some K-pop reaction videos because I am a fan of K-pop, even though I have not been in the K-pop scene in a minute. So I know there's a lot of videos that I need to react to. Wow. That was it all together. Wait, how do they stuff all of that in those bags? It's expensive. I love the color green. Like lately I've been using green and mustard yellows. I wonder how many does that make? Looks like I make cones. Oh, that's a knitting machine. Oh, that's gorgeous. I want a knitting machine so bad. But they're like so huge. So I don't know if there's like a smaller version of a knitting machine that I can do. Oh, that's a sleeve. There you go. Wow. You're making a sweater. That's so gorgeous. It's so like, I'm guessing it's a computer that's programmed to tell the machines what to make.
이래야지 옷이 딱 이쁘게 나온다.
The first word said I see it. the zipper.
알이 뭐 없어.
It's a hand knit that, like, not this video, I'm talking about how we hand make stuff. It's a talent and it's a gift. That's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Look at that laundry machine has that smell. I wonder what liquid is that? Is that vinegar or? And that's oil. Oh, that's why I was taking two. Really bad section. So beautiful. And to like to see the process from buying it to like spinning it out, sewing it together. I need to watch more videos like this to get into like the details of it. Like maybe a video that would break down each process a little bit. Like what are the machines called? How does the computers program the knitting machine to know what to do? That's crazy. And I wonder how long that took. Like how many do they print out in a day? Speaking of, I need to find my iron so I can iron my clothes for work. Oh, that's nice. That is so cool. The details. I need to find me a knitting machine, but I know they're probably expensive and they're just cheap. And those are all the different colors and the different patterns. I love that blue. I thought it was the end of the video. Oh, that was the end of the video. Okay, so we just finished watching, let me get the title again. This video was called, Processing of Making Sweater and Knitwear, Korea's Knitting Factory. So that was a very interesting video, and it just made me more curious since they didn't do a lot of speaking about like the details and the process of it. It just made me super curious to know more about the process of knitting factories. So I think I'm gonna do more video reactions like this if you guys liked it. Like I said before, if you have any other video suggestions, please comment below and I would love to do some reactions for you guys. Yeah, this is just a new series that I wanted to start, and I think it's going to be called In the Loop. And it's going to have like its own intro, its own thumbnail, everything like that. It just sparked my curiosity and just ignites my passion and love for everything fiber arts. You know, I just wanted it to go beyond me knitting and crocheting and learning these different handcrafts, but to know not only the history behind, which also out on my other YouTube channel, the Thetightknitcircle, which is a community of fiber artists and creatives. It's a community I'm trying to build. On that channel, that one's going to be called The Threads of Us. The Threads of Us. And it's going to be a series where, why do I think that thing was moving? See, I need to, it's time to hang this up, y'all. Hold on. Let me end this up real quick. So The Threads of Us is a series where I will be like just learning different history facts about the fiber arts world, the world of fashion, the world of textiles, and just really pretty much anything that has to do with art, and educating myself and just reacting to it with you guys so that we can all grow in the community. Because there's a lot of things that I don't know. This was a hobby for me, and now that I'm on the journey to making, my hobby into a business, I'm realizing that I need to be a master of my craft. And to be a master of my craft, I need to be knowledgeable about my craft, and not just in the, the action of doing it, but in the, book knowledge. And that's why I'm so happy that we live in the age of the internet, that I can go online, search up documentaries and watch them, and just really educate myself on what I say I love. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty chill, pretty quick. I really wonder what the editing process is going to be like, but I enjoyed it. It's probably a little awkward, but it's okay. This is what happens when it's I thought I put my phone on airplane mode, but I keep getting notifications. So, oh, I didn't turn my Wi-Fi off. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm gone. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay happy, stay hydrated, because it is hot outside right now. In Georgia, let me look up the degrees. Georgia weather. It's 85 degrees right now. It is Friday, August 26, 2022, 7:52 p.m. So guys, enjoy your morning or your night or your evening in whatever time zone, whatever city. Actually, where are you guys from? That's what I would like to know as well. Where are you guys watching me from? What time is it exactly at the moment that you hear me say this? And what are some other type of videos that you would like to see me react to? Again, I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm rambling, and I will see you guys in the next In the Loop video.